I have got a lot of questions about how the bike is performing during rainy days. For me it hasn't been a problem, but I know that people are worried that the electronics down here under the battery is going to get damaged by water getting into them. So to better answer those questions, the only thing is to take out the electronics and have a look. Okay, let's do it. And I think many people are worried about the control unit under here and the electronics under here. So I'm gonna open it up and see what is actually in here. Last screw here. And when I look at this with connectors and electronic box being straight under here, where it's exposed to a lot of dirt and of course water, I'm not really sure it's gonna last forever, but it hasn't been any trouble for me so far. This controller is working at the moment. But yeah, I don't know if this looks so professional, but at least someone has tried to seal the connectors with some type of glue here to prevent them from eroding and losing contact. But my guess is not all of them are sealed, and the quality of the sealing is not the best, I would say. And when I look to this controller here, it has sealings, but not all of the holes are filled with the cable. So I don't know how that is sealed. I took apart the connector that goes back to the motor inside of the wheel, and it looks good, I would say. So no trouble here. So now I pushed it back and gonna reassemble it. Just gonna push the cables into place. Also, there's no sealing on this lid here. That would also prevent moisture from getting in. Last screw there. There we go. And there we